Hey guys, so today we're going to do the second part of y equals mx plus b, which is completing a table of values. If you haven't watched the previous video about how to get y, make y the subject, please watch that. The previous knowledge required here is graphing on a Cartesian plane, completing a table of values, and algebraic foundation skills. So here we have two equations in the form of y equals mx plus b. The first one is y equals 2x plus 6, and the second one is y equals half x minus 4. Now, what does it mean y equals 2x plus 6? That means that for the first column, the value of y, which is that unknown there, will equal 2 times whatever x is plus 6. So, how do we calculate that? I'm going to put the first one as if I was to write it in the calculator. Now, one key thing here is whenever you're dealing with negative values, you should always use brackets. So for the first one here, y is going to equal 2 times bracket negative 3 plus 6. And that's how we're going to type it into the calculator. So 2 times bracket negative 3 plus 6 is 0. Now for the next one. The next one is going to be 2 times bracket negative 2 plus 6. 2 times bracket negative 2 plus 6 is 2. Now here in the calculator, you don't have to keep typing in the whole formula again. If you have a Casio or anything of that consort, you can press the replay button and go back, 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 and press delete and substitute the next value, which is negative 1. So the value for the next one is going to be 4. And as we keep going, we substitute the value of x in the same formula. 6, 8, 10, and 12. Now, if you'd like to try the next one yourself, pause the video, give it a shot, and then we'll go through the answers. Keeping in mind that whatever the value of x is, make sure you put it in brackets. Okay, let's go through the answers. The first one, negative 3. So the way we're going to type this into the calculator is y equals a half times negative 3 minus 4, because the x in this first one is negative 3. So on some calculators, you will have the ABC button, or you have the fractional button on most Casios, which is in the second row. And the value of the first one is negative 11 over 2, or negative 5.5. Value of the next one is negative 5. Negative 4.5. Negative 4. Negative 3.5, negative 3, and I'm guessing you can guess the last one, seeing as there's a trend happening here, negative 2.5. Hopefully that helped you on completing a table of values. If you have any other questions, please let me know.